Did you know that 78% of Americans live paycheck to paycheck? But here's the scary part. Most don't even realize they're stuck in sneaky money traps. Today, I'll expose the 7 biggest financial traps draining your bank account and how to escape them. Let's dive in. Trap No. 1. The lifestyle inflation trap. You get a raise, and suddenly, you're buying a fancier car, eating out more, and upgrading your apartment. This is lifestyle inflation. And it's why so many high earners are still broke. A study by the Federal Reserve found that even people making $150,000 plus struggle with savings. The fix? Pay yourself first. Automate 20% into savings before spending a dime. Trap number 2, the credit card float. If you're spending money you don't have yet, waiting for the next paycheck to pay off debt, you're riding the credit card float. NerdWallet found that the average household carries $6,194 in credit card debt at 22% interest. The escape? Use the 7-day rule. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 7 days. If you still need it, then buy it in cash. Trap number 3, the subscription leak. $40 for Netflix, $15 for Spotify, $30 for the gym you never go to. These small charges add up to $500+ a year. A Chase Bank survey found that 71% of people forget about subscriptions they're paying for. Action step. Use apps like Rocket Money to track and cancel unused subs today. Trap number 4. The rent versus buy illusion. Renting is throwing money away, right? Not always. The National Association of Realtors found that in some cities, renting plus investing the difference beats buying a home. But if you're in a stable market, buying a modest home can build wealth. Rule of thumb. If you'll stay 5+ years, buying often wins. Trap number 5, the sales scam. 70% off. Feels like a win, but stores like Kohl's mark up prices just to discount them, per a Harvard Business Review study. Real savings? Buy used, Facebook Marketplace, thrift stores, or wait 30 days. You'll often realize you never needed it. Trap number 6, the I'll invest later lie. Warren Buffett started investing at 11. If he'd waited until 30, he'd have 80% less money today. Berkshire Hathaway data. Even $100 a month in an S&P 500 index fund averages 10% yearly returns. Start now with apps like Acorns or Robinhood. Trap number 7, the no-budget spiral. No budget equals financial chaos. A U.S. bank study found that only 41% of people budget, yet those who do are 3x more likely to save. Try the 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs, 30% wants, 20% savings. Apps like WinApp make it easy. These traps keep millions broke, but now you're equipped to escape them. Drop it in the comments if you've fallen for any. Want step-by-step help? Grab our free budget template, link below, and subscribe. Next week, I'll reveal 3 investing myths costing you thousands.